Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find someone you played with on Roblox. So if you're searching for them, this is the most accurate video. Just go to Google and search for restore old Roblox server list. I'll explain why in a second here. We just want to click on this first link. This extension is completely free and safe, so don't worry about it. Just click on add extension here. Now after we have added the extension, we'll go back into Roblox, refresh here the page. Click on the puzzle icon and just click on restore old Roblox server list. Here we can just auto search, and here's where we actually find the person that we want to find. So all you have to do is know the game which you played with together. So for example, let's say you guys played Pet Simulator 99. You just click on the game itself, and now here you will go into servers. Okay, so from the servers you will be able to find and view all of the different people here. So you will be able to view their profiles and their profile pictures. So if you know their name, that's that's even more better. So you can just input their name right here. But if you don't know their name, the server list is going to look like this. Okay, so with the extension, so you will be able to see all of their profile pictures here. So you just want to find the person's profile picture and something that looks like them here. So for example, if it's this one, you will join the server and you can add the person back on your friends list. And that's really how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.